This is the Power Tower NANO. Those who intend to use any machine with characteristics of weight, height, width, length or complexity which differ significantly to the training they have received should ensure that they receive a familiarisation to cover the differences. It is the employer's responsibility to ensure that all operators using equipment are adequately trained and familiarised to comply with current health and safety legislation. Machine-specific familiarisation should follow on from basic training and cover the manufacturer's instructions and warnings, features of the specific model, control functions, safety devices and emergency lowering procedures. All of the above are to be found in the operator's manual supplied with the machine. Maximum platform height is 2.5 metres. Maximum working height is 4.5 metres. This is an indoor use machine, so it is zero wind rated, must not be used outdoors. Maximum manual force on the platform, refer to the operator's manual. To find the safe working load of the platform, again refer to the operator's manual. Primary components and locations: emergency stop, swivel casters, spirit level, pendant controller, gate latches, auto locks, emergency lowering valve. Identify the thorough examination plate and ensure that the machine is in date. Locate the manufacturer's data plate and ensure that serial number corresponds with the thorough examination serial number. Carry out your check of the machine, ensuring that there are no obvious signs of mechanical damage to the handrails, platform, lifting structure or the chassis. If you do find a fault, isolate, tag and report the machine. Do not attempt any repairs to the machine. Check that casters and wheels rotate freely and are undamaged. The battery charger is located under the checker plate. The charging lead, usually fitted with a yellow 110 volt plug, is on the exterior of the machine base. This lead can be fitted with a 230 volt plug if required. The battery charger is fully voltage sensitive, so there is no voltage selection to do when connecting to different voltages. Tilt the cage by releasing the gate latch on the cage mount. Pull cage frame from the gate end and the cage will lift and tilt, assisted by a gas strut. Ensure the gas strut is fully extended and that the safety chock is in place. You can now access the power pack housing by unscrewing the black retaining latches and lifting out the checker plate cover. Before carrying out any work on batteries, ensuring they're wearing the correct personal protective equipment in accordance with any risk assessments and safe systems of work. In normal operation, use only the Nano internally on a hard level surface. Ensure a person is available at ground level to assist in case of an emergency. Before operating, position the machine using manual force, remembering that the machine's base weight is 485 kilograms, so ensure you have somebody to help you if needed to push the machine in place. Position machine. Apply both caster brakes. Check the spirit level to ensure the machine is level. The battery condition dial indicator on the pendant control will indicate the battery charge. Hydraulic ramping. Your machine may have hydraulic ramping built into it by design. This means that the machine may not stop immediately when a controller is released. From the ground, press the arrowed buttons up to elevate and press the arrowed buttons down to descend. The platform should elevate and lower smoothly. Checking that there are no overhead obstructions, enter the platform via the step and the gate and ensure the gate is closed and latched correctly when in the platform. Please note, if using the pendant controller in your hand while in the platform, do not position the controller or your hand holding it on top of the guardrails or on top of the toolbox. Stow the pendant controller back in its holster after use. Wander leading or dog walking. It may be possible to use the upper control platform when standing on the ground next to the machine. When using the controller in this way, always ensure that the control box is correctly orientated around to the chassis and that you are standing clear of the machine. In the case of an uncontrolled platform elevation or descent, depress the red emergency stop button on the pendant controller or at the base of the machine. The machine should stop immediately. When elevating the platform, the machine is equipped with auto-lock braked wheels at the front of the machine. These will prevent the machine from moving once the platform is in the elevated position. When not in use, the pendant controller should always be placed back into its mounting. Using the pendant, elevate the machine up approximately 1 meter. To lower the platform using the emergency lowering controls, locate the emergency lowering valve at the base of the machine. Push and twist 90 degrees anti-clockwise and release the control. The platform will now lower. Pushing and twisting the control clockwise will stop the descent at any time. Check the area below the platform is free from obstructions when lowering, and at all times keep clear of the descending structure. To secure the machine, ensure that the red emergency stops are both positioned in the off position in both the platform and the ground control, and that the key is removed from the machine.